How to delete documents and data in Safari. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can delete documents and data in Safari, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete documents and data in Safari, all you have to do is go ahead and then basically make sure to launch the settings application here. And if you have so many data and website data that you have stored inside your Safari browser and you would like to delete them, after you open settings, simply look for the application known as Safari. So you want to go ahead and simply enter those here. Once you select the option called Safari, what you need to do is right over here you'll be able to see all these options where you can simply go to the data section over here. So simply scroll down, you can see clear history and website data. So when you tap on clear history and website data, select all history, select close all tabs if you'd like, tap on clear history, and the history for your Safari browser will get successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to delete documents and data in Safari. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.